When you're working with your HVAC system and trying to figure out whether to break power at the black terminals on the thermostat and outdoor units or at the furnace control board, it can get pretty confusing real quick. So, here's the deal. The black terminals you're talking about usually act as a common power point connecting the thermostat to the outdoor unit. The blue terminals landing at your furnace are typically for low voltage control signals. When you add stuff like easy traps or drain pan switches, those are safety devices meant to cut power to prevent water damage or other issues. Usually, breaking power at the black terminals is what most pros recommend because it cuts power to the outdoor unit safely without messing with the furnace control board's delicate circuits. But if you break power at the furnace control board, you might accidentally interrupt other important controls or sensors that keep everything running smoothly. So, it's best to follow the manufacturer's wiring diagrams closely and use the black terminals for breaking power when integrating safety switches. Also, double-check that your connections are secure and that any added safety devices don't cause unintended power loss or shorts. If you're ever unsure, consulting a licensed HVAC technician can save you headaches and extra repairs down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat and outdoor unit wiring is mixing up the black and blue terminals, which can lead to incomplete power cuts or system malfunctions. Fix this by carefully labeling wires before disconnecting anything and always referencing the unit's wiring diagram. Another common issue is ignoring safety devices like easy traps or drain pan switches, which can cause flooding or equipment damage if not wired properly. Make sure these switches are wired in series with the black terminal power line so they can actually cut the power when needed. Lastly, trying to break power at the furnace control board instead of at the black terminals often causes more problems, like tripping other controls or confusing diagnostics. Stick to breaking power at the black terminals to isolate the outdoor unit safely. BigHomeProjects.com makes it simple for homeowners to connect with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff and get reliable work done. For contractors, it's an easy way to find new jobs and grow their business by showing up right where homeowners need them most.